my God, be! Woo! Ang ganda nun! Oh my God! Grabe, ang ganda ng tone of voice niya. Oh my God, kahit siguro ma-traffic tayo sa daan kung ganitong klase ng boses ang makakasama ko, goods na goods. Goods na goods pa rin talaga. Mag-e-enjoy pa ako. Pero Diyos ko, ang tone of voice niya is very raw. Walang edit, walang reverb, walang echo, wala lahat. Like, oh my God! He is blessed with this voice. Oh gosh, ang ganda, be! Ang ganda! Definitely, he is longing for someone. Oh my God! Ang ganda ng falsetto niya, be! I'm so loving his voice. Grabe, be! Nakakaakit yung mga ganitong boses, no? But what do you guys think sa version niya ng Araw-Gabi? Leave your comments and opinions below. Tara, pag-usapan natin. But thank you so much for watching this